Hello guys, today I will tell you how we can give training to our birds. Look, you can look, they are running every time from me. So today in this video I will tell you what we can do that they will sit on our hand. First of all, for that I am opening the K small, so I will not catch them. Look, just look. Slowly, very slowly, they are running. Look. Whoa, look. Oh, guys, look. He's sitting on my hand. Look, like slowly. Look now on my finger. So you can look by this where they sit every time. There you should do. You should put your hand, and from here they will sit on your hand. So guys, this was and they bite also. And look here, they also bite. And and also I will tell you how we feel when they sit on our hand. We feel like something is sitting on our hand, and they also bite. If they will bite, you will move your hand like here and there, so they will scare from you. So bye guys, like and subscribe, and do not forget to touch the bell icon. Bye.